Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today we are going to talk about how much salt we should consume according to our body type. What is the effect of salt on Vata body type people, Pitta body type people and Kapha body type people, and what is the best salt that has been recommended in Ayurveda. So the best salt that has been recommended in Ayurveda is rock salt or Sandhav Lavana, the pink salt that is recommended in Ayurveda, one of the best salts to consume. Salt has both benefits and harms depending on the prakriti, like the body constitution of the person, and the quality and quantity of the salt. So what happened to Vata Prakriti people if they consume this salt? If they consume this salt for Vata Prakriti people, it is beneficial because Vata dosha, we all know, is dry, rough and cold in nature, and the salt's post-digestive effect on the body is hot in potency, Ushna Virya. Salt is little bit heavy. So it counters the qualities of Vata dosha and it is little bit Kapha enhancing. It's been said in Ayurveda that Lavan Rasa pacifies Vata dosha. So Vata Prakriti people, they can consume salt because it balances the Vata dosha. Salt improves digestion in Vata people. It enhances taste. It reduces stiffness and it promotes absorption of nutrients. If a Pitta body type person or the person who has Pitta Prakriti, if he eats salt, it enhances the Pitta dosha because salt is hot in potency. If Pitta person takes excess of salt, it leads to burning sensation in the esophagus, thirst and skin diseases. So if somebody has a lot of skin boils, acne, and if its Prakriti is Pitta, reduce the salt intake. Excess of salt, if a Pitta body type person will consume, it will enhance the acidity, ulcer issues, inflammation issues and irritability. So excess of salt should not be consumed by the person if you have Pitta body type. So how salt impacts the Kapha body type person? Salt increases the Kapha mild way, and as we all know, Kapha dosha is heavy and cold and stable. So, and salt has heating quality. So, if Kapha person will eat salt, its heating quality pacifies the Kapha dosha, but heaviness can be increased if you use salt in excess. So, you can use salt but in moderate quantities. On the other hand, if you are using mild salt, then it also helps liquefying the mucus and stimulating appetite in Kapha body type people. If Kapha body type people will eat salt in excess, it can lead to water retention, heaviness in the body and sluggishness. Anybody, whether you are a Vata body type, Pitta body type or Kapha body type, if you are using very excess amount of salt, it causes early graying of hair, skin disorders and excessive thirst. Salt is not considered as very good for blood and eyes, so you should always consume in moderate quantities. In food also, while cooking, you should use salt in less quantity. In Ayurveda, there are 5 kinds of salts and which are being used in various kind of diseases according to the symptoms and the need of the body. If you have any questions, please write down to me on comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the subscription button, hit the bell icon so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.